go ahead and tell me what's going on first.
So yesterday about 4:30 to 4:45, somewhere there, I showed up here at the courthouse to file my absentee vote with my significant other. And
who's your other?
Amber Callahan. And when we came in here, it was pretty full, probably around 30-40 people in here, and I noticed approximately about 25 of them or so seemed mentally incapacitated. And then as I was waiting, I filled out my application to do an absentee vote, and I turned it in, and I'm guessing they go back and check with township and so forth where I'm supposed to vote and see if I'm registered. In that about 10-15 minutes that they did that, I started looking around me, and I noticed from the 3 voter polls that I see staff members of these mentally incapacitated people assisting them physically and telling them what candidates to vote. I see some of the individuals that are mentally incapacitated that don't even realize what they're doing, or they completely walk away from the booth, and when the staff member's trying to get them back there, the staff member proceeds and then gives up and fills out the voting, the ballot, and then goes back and gets the individual, folds it up, put it in the envelope, and takes him to the board or to the counter to turn his ballot in. I witnessed another one, a case when I was turning in my ballot. One individual did not want to give his ballot to the county official because he thought it was his. He thought it was a gift or what, I don't know. He was so mentally incapacitated, he didn't realize what he was doing and why he was here today. He got upset when she was taking it from him. So there was just in a matter of minutes this was going on. There was probably about 4 or 5 staff members that I noticed. And there's also about 20 mentally incapacitated folks. I questioned one of them that was at one of the poll booths. There were a couple of booths over from me. One of the staff members that were reading off DFL candidates and assisting them physically on which ones to fill in. And I turned around and I got upset with the individual and explained, I don't even think the individual was 21 years old or less. How can you come here and do this on my tax dollars, because I'm sure these individuals are being taken care of under state tax dollars. Just a number of things. There's a lot of ethical issues.
Yeah.
So
You need to shut that off. Sorry, this is a polling location.
Yep.
There has been no authorization for any videotaping.
Okay.
You need to shut your camera off.
Can I interview you?
You can shut your camera
downstairs?
off. You can shut your camera off first.
Is that a yes or no? Okay. Can I interview